I'm going to show you how to make chicken nuggets. You need a pound of minced chicken, 2 teaspoons to sprinkle on the chicken, 2 teaspoons of our seasoning. Mix it up till it's sticky. Then for the glue, to glue the breadcrumbs onto the nuggets, break an egg and beat it. And then dry some fresh breadcrumbs in the oven in the meantime. Fresh breadcrumbs are the best way. You can buy them from the shops, but they're not so good. Then make the chicken nuggets shapes. Once you've got the breadcrumbs ready, dip the chicken nugget into the egg to make so the breadcrumbs glue to the nugget, making sure you spill some breadcrumbs on the way. Do the same with the rest of the nuggets. And then once you've done that, cling them so they can go in the freezer if you're not going to use them straight in the fridge, if not, you're not going to use them straight away. And then you can, after this, you can either fry them off or roast them in the oven to produce a nice healthy option for the children.